Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy Mikasa here. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can make dark, melodic, drill melodies. So I think we can start. So for the beginning, I loaded some VSTs just to not waste time while loading instruments and stuff like that. So I choose some like I have here Nexus, Omnisphere, and Electra X. So the first thing that you should start while making melodies overall, if you are bad, but like if you struggle with music theory and stuff, so this way can help you really improve your melodies. So what you're gonna do? Click here, plus, add, and click sampler. Open sampler. Right click, open piano roll, and now choose scale that you are going to use. So usually I'm using minor harmonic or major, but this time we are going to use minor harmonic. Click on that and choose the key you like. So I don't know, let's take A sharp for example. So we click here and now we got our scale. So this is A sharp minor harmonic. Now we are going to hold shift and just drag like this all the way, just to have more notes visible, and it's gonna be easier to make melodies. So we're gonna do like this, all the way like down. And now when I open Nexus for example, right click here, piano roll. Now I got all these ghost notes here. And whenever I click here, I know that this is my scale and I can't be out of scale. And this is a really good trick for someone who just started making melodies, want to make loop packs or whatever. So this is a really good tip that's gonna help you till you don't learn some of the scales, keys, and stuff like that. So now we can start with making melodies. For now, I'm about to use a few sounds, maybe like a simple drill sounds, maybe some pads, voice, and bells, whatever. But let's start. I usually start with pads. I love. I usually use Chill Zone 1 or 2. I like them. They are from Nexus, Fantasy and Dream, Chill Zone. Let's hear it. They're really fire. Let's check it on one. The first one is maybe better for me, but I'm about to turn off delay and reverb, but it's too much. Now I'm about to show you one more trick, like this one. So click here, and now you can play here chords, or if you go advanced, you can play advanced chords. As you can see, there are many chords here, major 9, 7, B5, whatever. So, but the main thing, the dark chords are these suspended 2 or 4. So let's check them out. So if I play this one, so now I'm just setting here for my scale, just following the ghost notes. I don't care about these these empty places. I'm just following the ghost notes here. Okay, so if I go one octave down, so as you can see, I already got this suspended 2 chord, and let's hear it. Sorry, let's go for the 140 BPM. Okay, let's move it one octave down. It's kind of dark vibe, and with this one, okay, it's really simple. One click, and they're ready to go. So now I'm going to use EQ2 because I hear too much some frequencies that I can cut off, for example like this. So always make sure that if you have some frequencies that are bad, cutting your ears, make sure you cut them. So after that, now I'm about to play some chords more. So got this one. So when I'm making melodies, I just try some random notes, playing random sounds to see what fits, what's going on, if I like it, and if it sounds good to me, I'm just going to use that. So what is the easiest way to make that dark vibe? You can just move this F to F sharp and get this out. So we can use it this time to make it really simple. Let's just adjust like this, and I'm about to copy here. Now I got this simple chord progression. Sounds fire, real simple, real dark. So now I can add some counter notes here. So I'm just playing some random notes to see if it fits or if I like it. And of course, if you like it, just play around with that and you're ready to go. Maybe let's play on C sharp here. So I like this. This sounds really fire, and I'm about to copy everything again here. So I got these counter melodies, and now for the effects, I'm going to use halftime to get more that darker vibe, or you can use gross beat, 1, 2, it's the same. So now, because we are octave down, I'm about to turn it octave up by holding control and just arrow up. And I'm about to cut more frequencies here. Now I'm going to use this sidechain plugin, whatever you can call it. So it's easy to envelope stuff and like that. So we do it like this. So got now Omnisphere, and I like to use this woman sounds, O's, whatever. So let's hear it. It sounds cool, but I'm about to check them like a. For example, if you're making melodies, you can just stack the other sounds to fill that empty space, and it can give you really power to your melodies. Maybe I can follow these chords. They're really simple. Okay, maybe I can follow like this. So I'm just stacking the layers here, like this. Maybe let's try the same effects here. Let's put it on channel rack 5. Okay, let's use it on a specific channel rack here. Let's go with the 6. And I'm about to use a reverb. I'm going to use stock plugin reverb. So I'm about to turn the bed and decay a little bit. And let's hear how this will sound if I pitch it down. This is way better. Okay, this sounds really fire. Now I'm about to use some maybe plucks or bells to add like a more bounce to this vibe, to this melody. So let's see what we can find here. Okay, I found, I think, this one. Let's check out the plugs. Okay, we can use these bells. They sound fire. So let's check them out. Maybe I can play with this time something faster like this. Okay, that sounds fire. Okay, let's now turn it down on channel rack 5 to do the same effects here. Okay, this sounds fire. Now I'm about to split by channel everything. So I got these, and I'm going to export them as an audio clip. So I got like a full control of each sound. This. this one too. The first thing I heard that I want to add more reverb in these bells. So I'm about to go to C. And I'm about to cut with EQ. So now what you can try is go with the pitch, or you can reverse melodies, so we can test it out here. So let's maybe pitch down these vocals. Results fire. And let's check out the pads. Let's try to reverse these pads to see what we can get. Yeah, let's switch back to normal. I think it's better normal. So now if you want to mess with this, play with more, add more effects, you can do that. But this is really the simple trick, simple way to practice your melodies. This is for the beginners. And now I'm about to export everything now as a WAV file. Go desktop. Okay, great. What I love to do, okay, where we get this. Okay, let me just see where we get it. I think this is it. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, it is. I'm about to pitch down this melody. I'm about to go between 2 or 300. So let's check it out. So it's completely different vibe, darker vibe. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, as you saw, it's really simple. Like a one clicks. For example, this pitch. When you are done with everything, and as you saw and you heard, it gave you a completely different vibe, darker vibe for this melody. Also, these simple chords you can practice with, they can give you really power. As you can see, this melody is really simple, nothing too much, and it came out really fire. So let's hear it one more time. You can now reverse it, add more sounds. We can go with the channel 5, or you can pitch it up. Everything works. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, check out the links, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.